Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to set a password on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, go to the search bar, type Settings, and open it. Then open Accounts and click on Sign In options. Click on the Password option, then click Add. Enter your password in the New Password field and enter it again in the Confirm Password field. Also, enter a password hint. Then click Next. Finally, click on Finish. That's it. Your Windows password has been set successfully. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.